Want to make your document look more formal or creative? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add a page border in Microsoft Word. Great for assignments, letters, certificates, and so on. Go to the top menu and click on Design. Now, look to the right and click on Page Borders. Under Borders and Shading, make sure you're on the Page Border tab. Select the box style, or shadow, 3D, Custom. For this illustration we will choose 3D. Then choose your line style, color, and width. Again, at the bottom right, you can choose to apply it to the whole document, first page only or a specific section. Once you're happy with the look, click OK, and boom, your page now has a professional border. And that's it. You've added a beautiful page border in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more formatting tips from Praise Tech Studios. I'm Douglas.